In this video, we're diving into AdsPower to see if it really is the best anti-detect browser for marketers and online entrepreneurs. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you stay one step ahead in the digital world. So, if you manage multiple social media accounts, run ad campaigns across different platforms, or conduct a traffic arbitrage, you know how challenging it can be to keep those accounts separate. AdsPower promises to help with multi-account management while protecting your identity. So let's explore how it works, what features it offers, and whether it's right for your business. Why use an anti-detect browser? Before we look at AdsPower itself, let's discuss why anti-detect browsers exist. Websites and advertising platforms use sophisticated tracking systems to identify and monitor users. They examine your browser fingerprints, details like your user agent, screen resolution, system fonts, time zone, and IP address to build a profile. If you log into multiple accounts from the same browser or device, those accounts can be linked together. This poses a problem for marketers who manage multiple client accounts, affiliates, or e-commerce sellers who operate across different regions. An anti-detect browser allows you to create separate virtual browsers, each within its own unique fingerprint. By assigning a different profile to each account, you reduce the risk of linking them together. You can also control your IP address using proxies and manage cookies separately. So this technology isn't about evading laws. It's about maintaining privacy and complying with platform terms when you legitimately manage multiple entities. Now, what is AdsPower? AdsPower is a multi-login anti-detect browser designed for advertisers, e-commerce sellers, and affiliate marketers. It offers a way to create and manage multiple browser profiles, each with distinct fingerprints and proxy settings. AdsPower supports two browser engines, Sun Browser, which is based in Chromium, and Flower Browser based on Firefox. Having two engines increases compatibility with different websites and can mimic different user environments. AdsPower's main features include browser profile management, so you can create separate profiles with unique fingerprints. Each profile stores its own cookies, local storage, and browser settings, ensuring that accounts stay isolated. Proxy configuration. Automatically configure proxies to match rotating IPs from various providers. You can assign a different proxy to each profile to simulate browsing from different locations. Fingerprint customization. You can customize more than 20 fingerprint parameters, including user agent, web RTC, canvas, audio context, and screen resolution. This reduces the chance of detection by sophisticated tracking systems. RPA, or robotic process automation. This is a built-in automation tool that lets you automate repetitive tasks without coding. You can record actions like logging into accounts, posting updates, or liking posts, and then replay them across multiple profiles. Synchronizer. You can execute the same action simultaneously across multiple profiles. For example, if you need to make the same change to several accounts, you can sync the action rather than repeating it manually. Team collaboration. You can add team members and assign them profiles. Control permissions to ensure that assistants or collaborators can only access the profiles you designate. Let's walk through these features in more detail. Now, if you want to get started with AdsPower, we've got a link for you down in the description below. Just click on that link and fill out this information here to go ahead and get signed up. And when you sign up, this is what you're met with in the dashboard. Creating and managing browser profiles. When you log into AdsPower, you'll land on a dashboard that shows all your browser profiles. Each profile represents a separate virtual browser instance. To create a new profile, click Add Profile, and you'll be prompted to enter a name for the profile. Then select the browser engine, either Sun or Flower, and configure fingerprint settings. So let's go ahead and click on a new profile up here in the top left-hand corner. We'll give it a name. We'll call this profile A, and we can choose Sun Browser or Firefox. We can choose Sun Browser or Flower Browser. We'll go ahead and keep it on Sun Browser. I'm on Mac OS, so we'll keep that selected, and we can go ahead and fill out the rest of the information here. Configure fingerprints. AdsPower lets you customize parameters such as user agent, screen resolution, language, WebGL vendor, and more. You can also choose to generate these values randomly. If you're not sure what to choose, the default settings are generally safe. The goal is to make each profile appear like a natural user environment rather than a generic default. Then assign a proxy. If you have a proxy provider, enter the proxy details: the host, the port, the username, and the password. AdsPower can import proxies in bulk if you manage many. You can also use the platform's integrated proxy marketplace, which offers residential and mobile IPs. Assigning a unique IP to each profile is critical crucial for keeping accounts separate. Save and launch. Once your profile is configured, save it and click Start. A new browser window opens. This window operates like any normal browser, but uses the fingerprint and proxy settings you chose. You can log into your account, browse sites, and perform tasks. When you close the profile, it saves your session data separately. This separation is powerful. For instance, if you manage Facebook ad accounts for multiple clients, you can create a separate profile for each client. Even if you log into all of them from the same computer, Facebook sees them as different users, reducing the chance of account suspension. So we'll go ahead and scroll through the rest of these options here. Under proxy here, we'll go ahead and just leave that as is. Platform, this is where you go ahead and select a specific platform for whatever you're doing. Let's say maybe we're running some Facebook ads. We can go ahead and select that. Now, when we scroll down here to fingerprint, so this is, all kind of how it was set up. So we'll just leave that be for now. And we'll go ahead and click OK. Automation with RPA. One standout feature of AdsPower is its robotic process automation, or RPA tool. This no-code automation lets you record a sequence of actions and replay it across profiles. So here's kind of how it works. Record actions. Choose a profile and click record. AdsPower starts recording mouse clicks, keystrokes, and navigation. You can log into an account, scroll to a specific section, click buttons, and type messages. For example, you might record the process of logging into a Twitter account and posting a status update. Then just save the script. Once you finish the actions, stop recording and save the script. You can name the script and add notes describing its purpose. Playback. You can select the script and the profiles that you want to apply it to. AdsPower will open each profile and execute the recorded actions. You can choose to run them one after another or simultaneously. Adjust and iterate. If the script doesn't perform as expected, maybe a button moved due to a site update, you can edit or re-record the actions. Over time, you can build a library of scripts for tasks like posting content, liking posts, or checking balances. RPA saves countless hours for marketers who manage repetitive tasks. Instead of manually logging into 10 accounts to post the same message, you can automate it. Keep in mind that automation should mimic human behavior. Avoid setting up scripts that click through pages at superhuman speeds, as this could trigger platform suspensions. Synchronizer. Coordinated actions. For tasks that require simultaneous action, like updating contact information or changing ad settings across multiple profiles, AdsPower's Synchronizer is super useful. You open one profile in control mode and others in follow mode. When you perform an action in the control profile, AdsPower replicates it across the follow profiles in real time. So this is particularly helpful when making identical adjustments or navigating through similar menus on multiple accounts. Managing proxies and fingerprints. Proxy integration. AdsPower's success hinges on proper proxy management. You can integrate proxies from various providers, including HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS 5, and residential IP networks. The platform supports automatic proxy assignment. Just upload a list of proxies and AdsPower will assign each to a profile. You can also rotate proxies periodically to mimic real user behavior. For traffic arbitrage or ad verification tasks, having a rotating residential proxy is valuable because it simulates different locations. Fingerprint customization. Fingerprints consist of numerous parameters. AdsPower lets you adjust these manually or choose from a recommended set of presets. Important parameters include user agent, so the string that tells websites which browser and operating system you're using. AdsPower can generate realistic user agents to match different devices. WebRTC. This protocol can leak your real IP address. AdsPower allows you to disable or randomize WebRTC to prevent leakage. Canvas and WebGL. Websites use these to render graphics. By tweaking the fingerprints for these settings, you avoid unique identifiers. Time zone and language. Match these with your proxy location so that websites don't flag mismatched data. Fine-tuning fingerprints is an art. The goal is to simulate typical browsing behavior. AdsPower offers default configurations that work for most situations. Team collaboration features. If you work with a team, AdsPower allows you to invite members and assign roles. Here's how it works. Create team profiles. The owner of the account can create different teams and assign each member a set of browser profiles. This ensures that each team member only accesses the accounts relevant to them. Permission levels. Set permissions for each user. For instance, a junior assistant can be allowed to open profiles but not change proxy settings or fingerprints. A manager might have full control over all settings. Activity logs. Track who accessed which profile and what actions they performed. This is important for accountability and security. If a platform flags a suspicious login, you can trace it back to the team member who used that profile. profile. Team collaboration makes AdsPower suitable for agencies managing multiple clients. It prevents account mix-ups and centralizes oversight. Pricing and plans. AdsPower offers several different pricing tiers. They have a free plan, and this plan allows a limited number of browser profiles and basic fingerprint options. It's a great way to test the platform. Next is the professional plan. So this, you can go ahead and choose a couple different options for the professional plan. You can choose 10 profiles, 20 profiles, or 50 profiles, and then base it on as many members as you need. So maybe you only need one member, but 20 profiles. So this is the price annually, where you're going to go ahead and save 40%. You can also pay quarterly to save 20%, or just pay the straight up monthly fee. Then there's the business plan, which gets you 100 profiles to start. So you can choose by 100, 200, 300, etc., as well as based on members. So pricing depends on the number of profiles and proxies you need. The cost is generally per profile, per user, per month. Now, when considering the cost, just think about how much time you'll save by automating tasks and protecting your accounts. For many marketers, the subscription pays for itself by preventing account bans and increasing efficiency. Now let's get into some pros and cons of AdsPower. Starting with the pros, let's highlight the benefits. They've got great multi-account management. AdsPower makes it easy to manage dozens or even hundreds of accounts without cross-contamination. Customization. You can fine-tune fingerprints and proxy settings to match your needs, reducing the risk of detection. Automation and synchronization. RPA and Synchronizer save time on repetitive tasks and ensure consistency across profiles. Dual browser engines. Having both Chromium and Firefox engines allow you to test how sites behave across different browsers and improves compatibility. Team collaboration tools. Assign roles and monitor activities to keep your team organized and secure. Documentation and support. AdsPower provides detailed tutorials and user guides. Support is available through chat or email. Many users appreciate the responsiveness of the support team. Cons and considerations. Now, there are also some downsides to consider. Number one is the learning curve. Setting up fingerprints and proxies requires an understanding of how tracking works. New users might feel a little overwhelmed, at least at first. The documentation helps, but there's still a period of trial and error. Cost. While the free plan is limited, the paid plans can become expensive if you need a large number of profiles. So just factor this into your budget. Overuse can trigger suspicion. Even with an Antidetect browser, overly aggressive automation or misaligned settings can trigger platform suspensions. Always test scripts on a small scale before applying them widely and follow the platform's policies. Needs careful proxy management. If proxies are unstable or slow, it can impact your browsing experience. So choosing reliable proxies is critical. AdsPower's integrated marketplace helps, but you need to monitor performance. Now, who should consider using AdsPower? AdsPower is well suited for digital marketers and agencies. So if you manage multiple ad accounts across platforms like Facebook, Google, and TikTok, AdsPower helps keep them separate and secure. It's also great for affiliate marketers. Managing multiple affiliate accounts and testing offers is easier when each account operates under its own fingerprint and IP address. E-commerce sellers. If you run multiple storefronts or operate in different regions, AdsPower ensures that each storefront remains isolated. This can prevent account shutdowns due to policy violations. Traffic arbitrage and ad verification. Users who need to test how ads appear in different regions or verify ad placements can use rotating proxies to simulate various locations. Researchers and cybersecurity professionals. Some security researchers use Antidetect browsers to analyze malicious sites without revealing their identity. If you only manage one or two accounts or have no need for multi-profile isolation, AdsPower may be overkill. A password manager and separate browsers might be sufficient. But if your livelihood depends on keeping accounts separate and safe, an Antidetect browser provides essential protection. Okay, so taking a look here inside of AdsPower a little bit more, let's click around here to just show you a little bit more of what it looks like. So we have profiles here on the left-hand side, which we just created that one here. And below that, we have groups. Next is proxies, where you can go ahead and add and as well as check all your proxies and configure them under the configuration tab here. Next is extensions, where you can go ahead and add different tools from the AdsPower marketplace. And below that, we have the automation. So this is that Synchronizer tool that I was talking about, where you can go ahead and synchronize different actions across different profiles. Here is the RPA section, where you can go through processes, marketplace to go ahead and add different tools. This is where you can schedule things out in a different task log. And below that is the API. So AdsPower offers a comprehensive solution for managing multiple online accounts while minimizing the risk of detection and account linkage. Its combination of configurable browser fingerprints, proxy management, automation tools, and team collaboration features make it a powerful choice for marketers, affiliates, and e-commerce professionals. The platform's flexibility allows you to tailor your setup to your specific needs and scale as your business grows. However, AdsPower isn't a magic bullet. It requires an understanding of how platforms detect accounts and a commitment to responsible use. Misconfiguration or misuse can still lead to account flags. So if you want to get started with AdsPower, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of different SaaS tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting your productivity. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.